Hey, and welcome back to KC Boomer Tech, where we talk about everything tech and fun stuff related to boomers. Like many of you, we've been told to shelter in place because of the virus, and I can't get to the gym. But a couple of months ago, I decided to put together a home gym because I couldn't get out when I like to get to the gym anyway. So I purchased an exercise bike that was a desk included. It's called the EXERPEUTIC EXERWORK bike, and I'm going to give you a quick review on it. I've had it now for 3 months, and I will give you my thoughts on it. So stay tuned, and please like and share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. When I was looking for an exercise bike for downstairs, I didn't want a conventional bike, because I needed one that I could be able to get on there and be on my computer while I'm exercising, while I'm doing this, because like most of us now, we're multitasking. So what I came up with was the EXERPEUTIC EXERWORK 2000, which has now been replaced by a new model, but it's basically the same thing. It's an exercise bike that it has a desk built in, which you can fit safely about a 15.6-inch laptop on it or tablet. It's well made. It handles up to, it says it's rated for 300 pounds. So it's pretty good. The nice thing about it is that it is Bluetooth, and it does come with an app. I'm going to give you some pictures and my thoughts from now on. So this will bring us to. So as you can see, I have it set up in my basement, which of course is not, it's a home type gym. And you're looking at it from this angle. What's nice about it, it has a very comfortable seat. The seat is adjustable in multiple angles to make it comfortable, high and low. And the platform for the laptop or your tablet is adjustable in multiple angles. Up this angle, I have it adjusted as high as it'll go. You can bring it lower, higher. You can bring it closer, away from you, whichever works for you. But it's excellent in that way. Let me show you something else. So as we're looking at it from a front view, you can see it has very wide, large pedals. I removed the your shoe or foot holder off the pedals. They're available. It comes with the unit, but I don't like them. I've had both knees replaced, so it annoys me to wear them. The nice thing about it, again, you can see that it has multiple adjustments. To adjust the desk part of it. It also has multiple adjustments to move your seat and everything else. And what I like about it is that it is electronic and it is controlled by either your app or manually, which leads me to. So my final thoughts. This is a pretty good exercise bike for the money. The list price on it is $299. I saw it today with the new version on Amazon for $216. I've been using it now 2 months since I got the replacement part, and I've lost a bunch of weight. And what I like about it is the multiple modes and different exercise routines you can do with it. Now, the most fun part of this, because I have a desk, besides being able to do work on the desk while I'm exercising, is I can put on those YouTube videos where I can watch someone else riding a bike, going through the path, and I can exercise with them like as if I was on that path with them. Then the other thing is, of course, the app does have a connection to Bluetooth, which you can connect to your some type of watch or device that allows you to monitor your heart. Again, the new one does have a built-in heart monitor that you can put your fingers on and do that. I don't know how well it works because I don't own it, but it's something to consider. And when you're stuck home and you want to be able to exercise and you want to be able to do either work on your computer at the same time while you're riding your bike, or you want to be able to watch a movie, this one will fit your needs. Listen, again, I hope this has been helpful for you. Please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, you have a great day and stay safe.